Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today it is Wednesday, September 3rd, and as you can see I took a trade, ended up almost $500 up on the day. I'll walk you through the trade I took and why I took it. I was hoping to pass this combine in one trade, but I sized down this because the RR wasn't too great. This was not my RR, which I could have sized different to pass the combine on this trade because I had my stop loss right here, which made very bad RR. But as you saw, I could have made the stop loss here to then be able to take 10 contracts and pass the funded or the combine in one trade. But I didn't, and no worries, a win is a win. And one more trade right now and I'm gonna pass this combine. One trade today and I'll walk you guys through the trade here. So coming into the day I was bullish. We were high up in the range, but I was still bullish because we had swept this previous week's low, came into this 4 hour and we made this V-shape up. We disrespected this 1 hour and also this 4 hour, and in the higher time frame I was very bullish and I was certain we were gonna go up to at least take these highs. So then coming into open, we accumulated here at London before open. It was nice this high didn't take this high, so we created stacked highs, and then we dump it open. We come into this 1 hour bullish rally gap and we accumulate a lot here, and I almost took a long right here, but the setup wasn't clean enough for me. We just tapped into this 1 hour bullish and then we made momentum up, but the news was at 10 p.m. and I want to wait for it since it felt weird that we were gonna get the distribution before news. So I waited and I'm happy I did, because this would have probably been an SL trade and it wasn't a clean entry anywhere. So I'm happy I had the patience to not take this and not FOMO entry. So I waited and then we come down again. We create this 1 minute bearish rally gap and then we accumulate right before open or right before news. And then once news comes, we first make a little bit of a move up and then we make this move down. We sweep out this low. We have this SMT with ES, which is very important since it shows the final manipulation has been done or has been made. And then we get this 30-second cyst, 30-second inverse, and 1 minute inverse rally gap as well. So I don't enter right when it closes, because just from experience I know that once we get this big of a close, we very often trade back into the candle a bit. So I had some patience and waited for a couple of seconds before entering right there. And I'm happy with that entry. It's an okay entry. And I had my target at these stacked highs. I could target up here for like this liquidity up here, but I decided to just go for low hanging fruit, which I'm happy I did, because otherwise it would have been a TP1 with the rest getting stopped out at break even. So yeah, like I said, the RR wasn't too great. I risked like $350 and made 500, but if I had my stop loss at this candle like I usually do, it would have been 1 to 2 RR, and I could be risking $500 or $520 and have the take profit right here to pass this funded with 10 contracts. And kind of sucks I didn't do that. I was a little bit stressed in the moment since it was a very fast decision trade. We just make this fast move up and then I decide to enter. So that was the trade for today. I have this recording. I'll show you the trade. I started to record a bit after I took it, so I wanted to go break even after this high, and I wanted to see us close above and not just sweep, because we could sweep this income into this 1 minute and then I would have gotten stopped out of break even. So I saw that we were gonna get a great close, or we did get the close, and then I went straight to break even and we were close to taking target right here, I think. So I wasn't too happy once we inversed this 1 minute, but we sometimes do this and then get straight momentum up, which I was happy when I saw that we made a move up right here and closed above that line. Oh, and as you can see, that candle actually took take profit, and I think I was, as you can see here, once we get close to take profit, I hover here. I was so tempted to just close this for like $20-$30 less profit right here, but I held it, which I am very happy I did, since taking off right there is so unnecessary, really, because why would you go here to not take the liquidity? So that was my trading for today. Hoping to take a W trade tomorrow to then pass this combine finally. It would be very nice. Thursday tomorrow we have news at 10 p.m. again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.